New to 718.11 is the ability to press Ctrl R to rotate your shape. So if we draw a shape and we extrude it, we can press tab to pause it. If we press Ctrl R, we're now able to rotate the shape 90 degrees just off the bat. So sometimes you just need to rotate your shape 90 degrees. Now that option is available. So if we press D and we switch over to custom cutter and we draw a custom box and we just extrude it and then tab to live, we could press Ctrl R and see that the shape is rotated. However, if we grab the draw dot and we make the shape something a little more rectangular, when we press Ctrl R, you can actually see in action the difference between rotating the shape 90 degrees and pressing Shift R, which will rotate the shape inside 90 degrees. So Ctrl R is intended to be an assistant for rotate inside to make your life a little easier. Sometimes you want to keep the uniformity of your shape, but absolutely rotate it 90 degrees to get it oriented exactly where you need it.